Today we'll be having a look at the Lucid Air tri-motor prototype that is aimed to usurp the Tesla Model S Plaid. Lucid high-powered prototype absolutely annihilates the quarter mile. Now meet the Lucid Air tri-motor. Some of you will remember that the Lucid dual motor popped off a 9.9 second quarter mile run, but making an undisclosed amount of horsepower, though it does not have three motors that are capable of 670 brake horsepower each. That would be a total of 2,010 ponies. Lucid's new beast ripped off a quarter mile sprint in roughly around 9.2 seconds, 9.245 to be specific. Now for some context, the original 1,000 brake horsepower Bugatti Veyron 16.4 trapped 139.9 miles per hour and needed a leisurely 10.4 seconds to travel 1,320 feet. Fast forward 14 years and the McLaren Senna crossed the line quarter of a mile in 10.1 seconds at 147.5 miles per hour. So the quickest production car Motor Trend ever tested in a quarter mile is in the 2015 Ferrari LaFerrari, which did it in 9.7 seconds at 148.5 miles per hour. So this Lucid takes it to another level. So the thing about this is that I definitely think it's more of a statement from Lucid of what they're capable of doing and how much they're capable of competing against the Tesla Model S Plaid. Now in other great news, the Lucid Air electric Saloon set for a European launch in June. Lucid has confirmed its plans to begin an expansion within Europe this summer, and insiders hinted that right-hand drive models will follow. Lucid didn't explicitly confirm which market it will export to first, but in a previous interview an employee reportedly confirmed that Germany would be the first point of call. Now once established, sales will roll out in Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Italy, Monaco, the Netherlands, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and all important Norway, where EV dominates. Yes, electric vehicles are extremely popular in Norway. Yet to be confirmed is the United Kingdom, but an insider working closely with Lucid has strongly hinted that the right-hand drive has always been planned for the Air. If so, production to begin later this year for the full Air lineup to be available, orders for the British buyers online towards the end of 2022 ahead of deliveries in 2023. So that's definitely something to look forward to. Not just the European launch this summer, but later this year looks like we could be getting a launch in the United Kingdom as well. We could be seeing Lucid vehicles driving around London, Scotland, Wales. So as well as big expansion, Lucid also confirms that it's developing an even more powerful version of the Air that neatly packaged not one but two power units with Air's rear subframes. Now last month, Lucid announced that it will be lowering its 2021 production target from 20,000 vehicles to around 12 to 14,000 vehicles. And it's no surprise, many EV manufacturers, including Rivian, has had to adjust their delivery prediction for 2022. Now back in March, Lucid announced to investors that it had so far produced 400 Airs and delivered more than 300 to customers, still at an existing order bank in excess of 25,000 vehicles. Now any complaints concerning the ride comfort on the car that are the car as driven will also be addressed by new air suspension options that will close the gap between the Air and the existing rivals. So naturally, before we end this video, let's just have a look at the price of the Lucid Group Inc. right now, the share price that is. Now the market cap is surprisingly quite high. To be quite honest, for a vehicle company that isn't producing a lot of EVs, their market cap is extremely high at 31.9 billion. And let's just remember, its all-time high was just around $55. That was twice as high as it is right now. So market cap is high, but where can we expect Lucid to go? Because right now I still think that it has serious potential to fall a lot lower than it is right now in terms of price and in terms of the market cap value. Depending on how well they do this year, it will help to determine how much they lose when it comes to share value, when it comes to company value. I think they could go as low as 15 billion in market cap, which means that the price per share will be half what it is right now. We'd be looking at a share roughly around $9, maybe $10 per share. For 31.9 billion in market cap, I do believe that's overvalued in my opinion. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like and leave a comment, and of course, I will see you in my next video.